Thanks so much for coming, Nathan. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yeah, so we've been in this house now for a couple years and we're expecting our first child.
Congratulations.
Thank you. And well, we thought now would be kind of the perfect time to really start working on the organization in here, because I've heard kids come with a lot of stuff.
They really do. I got 3 of my own, and there's plenty of strollers and toys, and they just never stop coming. So
Great.
I see you already have some organization going on here. Show me what you got.
Yeah, so we have the overhead rack with probably an excessive number of
Brackets up
there. Thank you.
I
Yeah.
like it.
We have this dresser that we picked up off the street. Certainly not ideal, but you know, it works.
Kind of like a makeshift toolbox.
Yeah, and then these plastic racks that are probably just as old as I am from my dad, but not as sturdy as they probably should be for a kid.
All right. Well, I'm getting some ideas, and we know organization's key with kids. So I see maybe a heavy-duty rack here with some adjustable shelving, because the strollers, the toys, I mean, they keep coming. Maybe a toolbox to swap that out, and then I see kind of a blank slate above my head. We could probably do a rack up there.
That'd be awesome.
So I think a good place to get started is by emptying off those racks, and an extra set of hands is going to be pretty helpful. So this is my dad, Bill.
Hi, great to meet you both.
Nice to meet you.
So here is your new adjustable ceiling storage rack, rated up to 600 pounds, but we
Okay.
definitely want to kind of keep it on the lighter side. Totes and bins, things that you only want to grab once, twice a year.
That'd be perfect.
So we're actually going to build it up in the air. We're going to find our ceiling joists and get into some good structure. I think right about here above us would be nice. Give ourselves about 3 or 4 feet to get a ladder down here. So when you're up in the ladder, you could access both sides.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, so I see you have a little panel there. I'm definitely going to open that up and see what we're working with. All right, so we got our strapping. We have our ceiling joists. And it looks like it's framed 16 on center, which is good. We'll do our layout, ensure that we're getting into joists, then we'll fasten those brackets on. I'm going to pre-drill, and then I'll secure the bracket with a lag bolt. All right, how's that look?
Good.
Any adjustment?
Good.
Good. Good.
Good.
Wow.
All right, here it is, your toolbox replacement. Nice heavy-duty unit. Big draw up the top here. Little ones on the side, soft close options.
Perfect.
On wheels, easy to roll around. I know that that's going to be very heavy, so I
Very.
think that we should probably transfer those tools into here, and
Yeah.
then we'll roll this into place.
Absolutely.
And while you work on transferring those tools, me and my dad will put this heavy-duty shelving unit together. All metal, even the racks are metal, so really good for an unconditioned space. Even better, it's adjustable. You can change the height of the shelves. If you have something bulky, you can spread them apart.
Sounds great.
All right, Veronica, what do you think?
This looks amazing. I mean, all the organization, all the storage for all the baby gear that I'm sure that's just gonna roll in over time.
It's gonna keep coming and coming. I wanna show you one thing. So right here we put your stroller, and I did this in my house. I have the 3 girls and they have a lot of stuff. So I make sure when my wife backs in, easy in and out for strollers, kids' toys, beach stuff, right onto the shelf out of the back of the car. But as always, you're gonna adapt over time, change your layout, do what's best for you.
Painting quite a picture, and I'm sure, as you said, things are gonna change over time, but
Absolutely.
This is amazing, and I just can't thank you guys enough. This is gorgeous.
You're welcome. Enjoy it.
You're welcome. Take care.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.